Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. We have a new video today. In our today's video, we will talk about what you are searching for, what do you need to have for answers for, what the investors I keep telling you all the time. Today we'll talk about due intelligence. When the investor telling you we will do the due intelligence, what that means, what the investor means specifically with this meaning, or what they are looking to take a look on, what they will start to search about you, so we can understand how they are thinking and what they are looking to take a look on for the materials, correct? So in today's video, you will understand on what the investors are looking to take a look on when they will tell you we will do the due intelligence, and what they are looking to have for materials for the first hand. So now you can understand all the materials that you need to have to make sure that you can raise the capital target that you're looking to raise simple, easy, and fast. So it will not take a lot of time for you to close deals and to actually communicate further with the investor. If you're looking to invest the 5 to 10 minutes into this video, so you will gain the access and you will gain all the knowledge and the tools to do that by your own self. At the same time, you will also have the Google document in the description below, so you can download it from there, or you can take a look on the Google document from there. At the same time, if you're looking to have more insights on the fundraising journey and on your fundraising journey, so you can take a look on other videos that you will find the links to them in the description below. If you are not willing to invest the next 5 to 10 minutes into the fundraising journey, into gaining something new that will help you further to raise up capital and to close up capital, so that's your life, that's your journey, that's your success, and that's your path. Let's get into it. So due intelligence, what it means when investor saying that, so financial analysis. So first of all, it will also be part of it, which is the financial analysis. Example, financial startup meet show monthly financial statements. The investors checks the balance sheet to spot liabilities and the income statement to ensure stable revenue. High operating costs like marketing of salaries may be a real flag of the exceed industry norms. So pretty simple. I'm giving you example right here. They are taking a look on the financial startup that you currently have. We assume that you have one. So they take a look on the balance sheet that you currently have to spot a lot on the liabilities and income statements. So they take a look on what they have for income today. What do you have for high operating costs like marketing salaries when you are spending the most of your income? So if that is the case, you're spending a lot of your income into these two sectors, operating costs are above the industry norms, so they will not be interested to invest into you. All right. So what we can take a look on that. So revenue growth, if the startup has 20% annual growth in assets under management, let's say that you have a hedge fund and you have assets under management, 20% annual growth in the assets under management, so every year. So the investor will also check gross margins, which might be higher due to a scalable fee structure, charging percentage of the asset managed, allowing costs to grow slower than revenue. Do you understand what we're talking about right here? So the investor will also take a look on the gross margins that you currently have, which may be higher due to a scalable fee structure. So what that means, I will give you example right here. Example, the startup may have a CEO with experience in large financial institutions. Investors will look at the management team's track record to see if they can scale the business effectively. If the firm charges a fee passed on the asset under management, an investor would check if this model can scale profitability by verifying unit economics. What unit economics means, it involves analyzing the revenue, like management fees, all right, and costs like trading expenses or salaries tied to managing one client or single portfolio. Do you understand? So they're taking a look on the asset under management that you currently have. If you are taking a fee on the asset under management that you currently have, all right, CEO who has already control over this startup, this financial startup, Does he have any expertise or any track record before that will make him to scale up the business effectively? All right. How they will do that? By verifying unit economics. So take a look on the revenue, the management fees, so that they will getting from the investors, and the costs that they are spending on, which is the trading expenses or salaries. All right. To managing one client or single portfolio. So they will take a look on that and they will see how much it costs them to manage one client or one single portfolio on the expenses or the costs. Do you understand that? I hope it was clear. If not, just write to me on LinkedIn and I will explain further to you with any other way that you would like to understand it with. So at the same time, market and industry assignments. Example, an investor might examine if the startup's focus on ethical investing or cryptocurrency portfolios give it a competitive edge. They will look at industry growth trends, fintech growth rates to evaluate future potential. So they will take a look on where these startups they're focusing into it. Is it like crypto portfolios? Is it like a fintech growth? Where they're making the most of the growth with their own investments. So if that's the case, they take a look on that, and if that's the case right here, they making sure that this startup has already the same morals, or they are already trending with the same trends that already going on out there in the marketplace, and they take a look on what's going on right now, on which industry the hype going to, and they're investing into this industry. Do you understand? So that it makes sense to them. That it calls for the growth trend. So they take a look on which industries that the growth going into and they're investing into it. If that's the case, the investor will be interested. Target audience. If the firm focuses on millennials, all right, millennials are individuals born roughly between 1981 and 1996. They are the generation that came of age during the rise of the internet, social media, and significant technology investments. So that's what it means with this word right here. All right. So if someone mentioning that to you, or the investor mentioning that to you, so now you understand what that means. Okay. So if the firm focuses on millennials with user-friendly digital platforms, investor would look at data on how this demographics in growing in that markets. So they can look on which target audience they're focusing on. If that's what they are focusing on currently for target audience, they're making sure to understand this target audience more and how quickly they are growing into the markets. You understand? I hope you do. So now let's take a look on the last part of today's video, the legal and compliance. So example of the firm has patent technology, an investor will check if that is valid. What the patent means, patent is a legal right granted to an investor or company, giving them exclusive control over the use, protection, and sale of their invention for a specific period, usually 20 years. So make sure to understand that. So when the investor they ask you about this word, or they will ask you if you have a valid patent, so you understand what you will give them for answer. Make sure to do research on that if you haven't done before, so you understand what that means when the investor they will ask you about it. So they will take a look if the firm has a patent technology, and investor will check if the patent is valid and protected. They also assess contracts with the clients and vendors to ensure no risky long-term dependencies. So they're making sure that the long-term commitments will make sense for them, and there is nothing that's strange or nothing that doesn't link with their own morals or with their own interests. So make sure to understand more what the patent means, so you can make sure to have that in your firm. At the same time, you can also do research on millennials word when the investors they will ask you about it, and unit economics. The specific words you need to understand them to make sure that you understand what you're talking about and you understand what you are presenting to the investor. So that's what they will take a look on. That was what means for due intelligence. They will take a look on, or they will take a look on all of these parts that I have already mentioned to you. At the same time, they will also take a look on the regulatory compliance. The firm must comply with laws like SES, which is pretty basic, everyone know about it, in the US, or MiFID in the European market. And investors will verify the firm is properly registered and compliant. All right. So risk assignments, example, market risk are concerted like exporting to emerging. No, don't need that. So that's what they will take a look. They take a look if you have a registered firm right now in this SEC, if you are in the US, or in the MiFID in the European market, which is MiFID. All right. If you have a registered firm, they will take a look on that you have already verified firm. That's what the investors they will take a look on when they will tell you we will do the due intelligence, and that's what they are looking to see from your side. So if you have already provided all that, so if I will give you clear benchmarks, clear points right here so that you can focus on, they will take a look on what you have for revenue growth. They will take a look on where the money goes, what do you have for costs, and how big is your asset under management. What have you done lately with your clients or with your investors, which is pretty basic, simple. At the same time, they will take a look also on the unity economics. They will take a look on analyzing the revenue management fees, costs like trading, expensive salaries, to managing one client or single portfolio, which is just to understand how you can manage the other clients and how your culture or how your method or your management method it works. At the same time, they will also take a look if you are investing into many other markets at the same time, if you are only taking a look on the others growth trends that's going on into other industries. If you are doing that, if you are rushing the fintech industry to invest into it, if there is any opportunities, a cryptocurrency, so you are not only into one industry and you are just only focusing into one industry, they will be more focused or more interested to have you into the other industry at the same times, because right now you presenting more opportunities to them and you're showing them that you understand more than one industry. Sometimes they will also take a look on what you have for target audience, what do you have for target audience for the firm. So they will take a look if you have target audience that they are younger than they are, or they take a look if they have target audience that they are young and they don't understand a lot about the investing industry, or which target audience that you are focusing on right now, and how big is your target audience that you are focusing on currently. And sometimes they take a look also on the legal and compliance. They take a look if the firm has already registered it in the SEC in the US or MiFID in the European market. At the same time, they take a look also if you have a patent, if you have valid patents. Valid patents, that means what the commitment would be for the next time or the next years that the investment will be locked into it. So take a look on all of these steps, which is that's absolutely their own rights to take a look on to make sure that everything aligns with their own interest and everything aligns with their own portfolio or their own viewpoint of the investment deals. That was everything for today. If you are looking to get the Google document for this presentation, you can get it from the description below. At the same time, if you are truly looking to get other insights on the Capitalraising journey, so you can take a look on the other videos, you can find the links for them in the description below. That was everything. I hope it was something new. I hope it was something followable. I hope it was something that you have gained the I hope it was something new. I hope you have gained something that you wanted to take a look on. And that was everything for today. Thank you so much.